Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Amanda Tavara. I am 34 years old and I am from the Philippines. I am applying as a domestic helper to work in Hong Kong. I am a first-timer but I have experience doing household chores in my home. I can do cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and cooking simple meals. I am also willing to learn Chinese cooking and follow your instruction. I am hardworking, patient, honest, and trustworthy. I can work independently and manage time well. I am also willing to take care of children or elderly, and I will treat them with care and respect. I am willing to learn Cantonese and adapt to your culture. I am eager to work and support my family. If you give me a chance, I will do my very best to serve your family and take good care of your home. Thank you very much, and I hope to work with you soon.